This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to add bullet points in Webflow. Whether you're designing a sleek website or putting together a clean list for your project, knowing how to efficiently add bullet points can make your content clearer and more organized. Webflow is a powerful tool, and adding bullet points to your design is a simple task once you know where to look. Let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to access all your projects right from the dashboard. This is the starting point for making any changes or additions to your web pages, so make sure you're comfortable navigating this space. Next, select the site you want to work on. You'll see a list of your existing projects, and so click on the one where you'd like to add bullet points. This will open up the editor where you can make all your design adjustments. It's important to choose the correct project to ensure that your changes apply to the right website. Now, look to the left side of your screen and find the Add button. Click on it to reveal a menu of elements you can add to your page. This menu is key to customizing your website as it contains all the essential elements you'll need to enhance your design. If you're new to Webflow, take a moment to familiarize yourself with this menu as it's packed with useful tools and options. Once you've opened the Add menu, scroll through until you find the List element. This is the tool you'll use to insert bullet points into your design. Click on List, and you'll immediately see a new list element appear on your page. It's automatically formatted to include bullet points, making it an efficient way to organize information. With the list element added to your page, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Click on the list to edit its content directly. You can type in each item, and if you need more bullet points, simply press Enter to add another line. This flexibility allows you to create lists that are as short or as detailed as you need. And there you have it. You've successfully added bullet points to your Webflow site. Remember, using bullet points is a great way to enhance readability and structure your content effectively. As you continue to work in Webflow, you'll find that mastering these small tasks can greatly improve your workflow and the overall quality of your projects. This quick tutorial has guided you through how to add bullet points in Webflow, and I hope it's helped make the process clearer and easier for your future projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.